Hi everyone, I want to tell you how to measure your wooden steps to order the perfect full nose carpet stair tread, okay? You need two measurements. You need a depth and you need a width. Let's start with a depth. You're going to measure from the riser to the front. It's as simple as this. You put your tape measure to the back and you want to look straight down, and that reads 11.5, okay? You do not want to do this, because that means I'm going 12.5 or 13, and you do not need that extra material. We manufacture that in-house. So this is 11.5-inch wooden step, but what is ideal is to take away 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch from the back, so you have a little bit of gap back there, and that's perfect. So I would order 11 inches deep on this step. As for your width, this is all personal preference and how much carpet you want. This particular one is 31 inches worth of carpet on about a 46-inch wide step. The only thing to remember is you need to watch for your corner posts, like up here, okay? So you do not want to order carpet that's going to go beyond that. So just make sure that you have a reference of where your corner posts are so that everything is consistent all the way down, and then you just take your measurement and you say, do I want 31? I can go wider, I can go 35, totally up to you. And that's how you measure. Now, let me show you what this last step looks like put on, okay? So this was 11 inches by 31. You line up the sides, and that's it. How to measure your stairs.